At Len Busch Roses, our mission is to amaze and delight customers with clearly superior product, extraordinary service, and innovative solutions. We provide beautiful flowers to floral designers and flower shops all over the Midwest, and we know that your customers expect arrangements that will sweep them off their feet. Our goal is to provide you with the highest quality, most stunning florals possible, so we can join you in spreading joy through flowers. We know that if we give our customers the best experience possible through dedication and commitment to quality, both parties will be rewarded with fruitful long-term partnerships. At LBR, our customers are our number one priority, and we want to provide them with a stellar experience every time. In order to accomplish this, all of our employees work together to meet the needs of both each other and the customer. We work together and support each other to ensure that everyone, from harvesters to salespeople to drivers, is properly trained and committed to quality. Our leadership works to serve the needs of the employees who in turn ensure customer satisfaction. Our commitment to quality started at the very beginning when founder Len Busch noticed that there was an opportunity to provide flowers to Midwestern shops that normally needed to be shipped in from other parts of the country. Due to the weather conditions in the Midwest, Len Busch devised a greenhouse system that would enable the company to grow high-quality flowers in an environment that would normally be unsuitable. With state-of-the-art growing systems, greenhouses, and quality checks, LBR carved out a name for itself as the standard for quality florals and innovation.
We think we have an advantage over our competitors in a couple of areas. One, and the biggest one, is that we grow like a third of what we sell or so locally. I mean, we grow it right here in Plymouth, and so the freshness of that product is hard to compete with from anywhere we can buy it in.
So as the crop planner, I spend quite a bit of time researching new varieties and working with the growers, looking at what we're currently growing, what is out there for the next best, and looking at attributes such as stem length, flower size, shelf life, vase life, and always trying to replace and keep up with the trend of what's out there that's better. Not that we're hanging out with older varieties that might not be performing as well for our customer as newer varieties that are out there.
Now, the company looks to the future to both improve our processes and provide stylish, beautiful flowers to all of our customers. Additionally, we're constantly finding ways to improve sustainability and reduce our environmental footprint, including reusing containers when possible, using scrap wood as fuel for winter heating, and recapturing and recycling water to avoid waste. Since our beginnings innovating growing environments for beautiful florals, we provide a wide variety of both locally grown and high-quality partner products. We also offer an impressive range of hard goods, vases, and other supplies. All of our products go through a strict quality control process to ensure that only the best makes it to you. Every employee from driver to processor is trained in quality, with extreme care being taken to handle the product carefully, sanitize buckets and other containers, and provide an ideal temperature and environment for flowers to thrive until they can get to you.
The systems we have that are commonly used both in the flowers that we grow and the flowers that we purchase, one that we kind of take for granted is we have an inventory control system where we actually work on the life of the flower. So from the ones we grow and to the best we can for the ones we purchase, we know how old the flowers are, and they're only allowed to be sold within a certain range of time in our inventory control system, and that's a control that we're used to, but it is a very significant one for us. In addition to that, we feed our flowers, whether we grow them or whether we buy them, with specific foods that are designed to either help florists hold them or to get them into a more finished state.
We know that this is a relationship-oriented business, and that's why our sales reps are committed to connecting you with the product you need when you need it. When you work with us, you'll have personalized access to a sales team to answer questions, provide product support, and help you with any issues that may arise.
What you're not going to find on our sales team are order takers. What you are going to find are knowledgeable, consultative experts that you're going to find resourceful and very helpful.
We are very focused on listening intently and legitimizing our customers' experience. Our sales team is very focused on really customizing and tailoring the experience to their individual customers. So a lot of what we do is focused on asking questions and understanding how they do their business and the style that they design with. And so many factors go into that. But at the end of the day, we listen, and what we do with the knowledge and what we take away from that goes into creating a customized experience for every customer from start to finish with Len Busch.
We're committed not only to consistency, but continuous improvement as well. We're constantly researching, learning, and growing as a business, and this means that our relationships with customers can grow and prosper. We know flowers, and we know florists, and together we're committed to spreading beauty and joy through the best products possible. You can count on LBR for quality florals, outstanding service, and constant innovation. When you work with LBR, you're doing more than just buying flowers, you're investing in a brighter floral future.